Hey everybody, it's Evan with Let's Do This, and today we're going to be talking about the 2015 Volkswagen TDIs. There's a whole bunch of different ones. These are all my warranty work papers that I've had done on my car for free. I'm going to unpack these a little bit for you, just to let you know you still have warranty on your car until December 2026. So if you have anything leaking, oil, AdBlue, anything like that, you can go get it done for free. Use it now while your coverage is still good. Don't let them tell you no. I'm going to tell you exactly what to do if they're fighting you on these things. But one of these is my oil pan gasket was leaking. I had that fixed twice. I went in for an oil change and they told me my oil pan was leaking. So I brought that in, got it covered for free under this extended Dieselgate warranty. So the next one is the camshaft seals, which I found while I was getting the timing belt replaced. They said that I have a leak from the camshaft. They put it all back together. And I brought it to Volkswagen for the camshaft seals. And they said, well, we have it apart. Can I do your timing chain? And I said, no, I just had that done. So, of course, they wanted to do something. Every time I brought my car into Volkswagen, they did cover it under warranty. But, of course, they wanted to fix something else, too, to make a little bit of money. Don't feel bad for them. They get enough. So, the last thing on the list here was my AdBlue that was actually leaking from, and I'll show my car here in a bit. There's a bunch of hoses on the top that redistribute AdBlue into your exhaust system. So these hoses here were leaking. It almost looked like a bad battery terminal on the top is just foaming out the top. That's also covered under the Dieselgate warranty. I mean, it's almost like your engine warranty that you get when you get a new car. It covers a whole lot of things. So make sure to do your due diligence. Listen to this video. Look at the things. These are the cars affected. And again, if you're a 2015 car owner, you're good till 2026 in December. This is what I've found online. And this is the important part, is in the 2015 cars, it's 11 years or 162,000 miles passed. And this is from the actual extended emissions warranty pamphlet I got from VW. And again, it says 162,000 miles or 11 years. So if you're even looking to buy a used car and you want warranty with it, you can actually get one because these warranties transfer to the new owners. And look at this closely. This is everything the Dieselgate warranty covers. It's a lot to do with the engine. If your turbo goes out, it's covered under the Dieselgate warranty. Camshaft sensor, the oil pan gasket. And we're going to go over if they don't want to cover it, what you can do. You can even get a free rental car. Don't let them tell you you can't. If you have an issue, call this number. They took care of me once because Volkswagen dealership didn't want to fix my car. So I called this number and they took care of me and settled everything. Hope this helps. Talk to you later.